Determine the left end and right end behavior of f of x equals 3x to the fifth minus x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12. The function f of x equals 3x to the fifth minus x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12 is a polynomial. And a polynomial has a domain that is all reals, or negative infinity to positive infinity. The left end behavior is determined by evaluating the function at the left end of the domain, and right end behavior is determined by evaluating the function at the right end of the domain. A polynomial will have left end and right end behaviors of positive infinity or negative infinity. Since the highest power term here is an odd power, 5, the left end and right end behaviors will be opposite sign infinities of each other. Since the coefficient on the highest power term is a positive, the left end behavior will be a negative infinity, and the right end behavior will be a positive infinity. Now to show that this is the case, starting with the left end behavior, which is determined by evaluating the function at the left end of the domain, which is negative infinity. Since it is negative infinity, this is done by taking the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 3x to the fifth minus x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12. The first thing to do is plug in negative infinity in for each of the x's. Only the highest power term matters here. Negative infinity to the fifth power will be negative infinity, since negative to an odd power is negative. There's an odd number of negatives. Times the 3 will still be negative infinity. And there's the left end behavior. The right end behavior is determined by evaluating the function at the right end of the domain, which is positive infinity. Since it is positive infinity, this is determined by taking the limit as x approaches positive infinity of the function 3x to the fifth minus x cubed plus 5x squared minus 12. The first thing to do is plug a positive infinity in for each of the x's. Only the highest power term matters here. Positive infinity to the fifth power is positive infinity times the 3 will still be a positive infinity. And there's the right end behavior. The left end and right end behaviors are opposite sign infinities of each other, with the left end being negative infinity and the right end being positive infinity.